What are we looking at here?
What's yours? Let me see.
Tiny. Ours is tiny.
We might have that one.
Alright.
This is the storm. These are all the cars driving the hell out of it that we just drove into it.
Come on, baby. Bring me a twister. Come on.
Oh, Josie, it's okay.
Asshole.
Ah, fuck nuggets.
Just keep right here where it's light, and you'll get one.
What a good one. Ooh, pretty. Do it again, cock monkey.
Do it. Come on.
Ooh, that was good.
Did you get it? Damn it!
That cloud's coming down. And it's twisting. Yeah.
Yeah. Right there?
Yeah.
Come on, baby, come on! Drop, you stupid thing! Drop, you water vapor! Drop! Where's the light in this bitch?
I don't have interior lights.
Where's your charger? Where's your charging thing?
Still plugged in?
Yeah!
Oh, I missed it! Once again, these are cars getting the hell out. And we are still standing here. The people who were with us have left. Like they said, oh, fuck, and left. Josie is in there, and me and Kaylee say, hi.
I'm charge a phone. Call for help. Oh, yes.
Oh, that one's going right into it. Go! Yes! Did you get it? No. I got that one. That's like the lightning cloud right there. It's not coming from anywhere else. Are you going back up right here? No? Really?
Stacy, that's gorgeous. Is it charging?